Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today, I wanted to show you an absolute game changer when it comes to detailing brushes, the Detail Factory Curveball. The Curveball brush is a large 3-inch brush that launched alongside Detail Factory's tire brush. Although they're both great brushes, I think this one really stands out both due to its quality and its versatility. Basically, think of any scenario where you'd use a regular sized detailing brush and just imagine doing it 2 to 3 times faster. That's the main appeal of the Curveball brush. The Curveball is made with the same soft bristles you'll find on the smaller Detail Factory brushes with a sturdy rubber and plastic handle on the back. So let's talk about use cases of the Detail Factory Curveball brush. I personally use it on the interior the most, for dusting the dashboard, for vents, and for cleaning door panels. So I'll demonstrate the speed of the Curveball brush on this Lexus door panel using some P&S interior cleaner. So first, I'm just going to load up the brush. The Curveball will take a considerable amount more to load the brush up, but once it's fully loaded, it'll be good for the entire detail. So we'll spray in the brush. I'll spray a little bit on the door panel. And you can see how quickly we can get to all parts of the door panel. Then we'll wipe it off. Now you still might want a smaller detailing brush, obviously, to get in some of these crevices or even in buttons, but you can see how quickly we can clean, half the door panel. Just to give you another example, I'm going to demonstrate it on some of these lower plastics and dashboard. Again, spray a little bit into the brush. Since it's already primed, I don't need to spray as much as I did the first time. I'll spray a little bit along this bottom. We'll even hit the side of the dash right there. Another advantage to the Curveball is the density of the bristles. Obviously, you're going to get some really good foaming action off of it if that's something you enjoy. Now, just from this demonstration, you can see how quickly you could run through an interior just using the Curveball brush. In addition to being great on interiors, Matt actually found it's a really good tire dressing applicator as well. Again, speed being the main benefit to using the Curveball. Also, if you have really knobby truck tires, it works well to get into those intricate spots in the tire. We here at Obsessed Garage love the Curveball brush, and I'm sure there's hundreds of other uses for it that I didn't mention or we haven't found yet. As always, you can get the Curveball brush and everything else you saw in this video on our website at Obsessed Garage. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.